What's poppin'?
It's your girl Queen K,
And it's me, so I see.
and welcome back to our chat.
Now, y'all, here it is.
Here it is.
Here it is.
The seafood ball, honey, prepared by yours truly.
Yeah, cause I ain't do nothing. There was nothing for me to do. I don't know what it tastes like. I don't know what it's supposed to look like.
This her first time trying, y'all.
I'm not trying shrimp because I already done tried it, and I hate the way it tastes. So I don't. Shrimp is out.
Baby, tell them what we got, honey.
We got some crab leggies, some corn.
You gotta pick up everything.
Yeah. Some eggs. Oh. Some mussels.
Potatoes, shrimp. Okay, that's
shrimp.
it. Now, let me say my grace. I'm finna dig in.
She hungry.
Amen. Hallelujah. First I'm starting out, and I do got some little sauce over here, y'all, but hold on.
I'm gonna start with what I know. First.
This garlic butter, by the way, y'all.
I don't know.
What, baby?
As far as sauce go, what I'm supposed to be tasting?
It's butter. Butter really don't.
Okay.
You taste the garlic?
Yeah. Corn. Me and corn always get along.
Mm-hmm. You can never go wrong with the corn.
Corn is like my baby.
What?
Corn, my baby.
So, y'all, we apologize for not putting the video out when we said we was.
We really gotta do better.
It really wanna, like, I actually wanted to do it, but it had got to the point where I kept getting sick for some reason.
She gets sick easy.
So, we had to keep postponing, but we here. I might do need some cereal. Bring me some cereal. Ooh, something in my eye. Let me pop one of these bad boys over for Icy so she can.
I want to struggle.
Oh, she wants to struggle. We got shrimp.
So, when I watch them on YouTube, they pop that open like that.
You can't do.
Oh, ain't that?
You can't do it hard,
What
babe.
is that?
I don't know. They call it like a.
Is it meat in here? I don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah. Now pull it apart slow. No. Yeah, like that, but slow. Tear it, but
The other side's still intact.
yeah, but you gotta tear it. That's what I'm telling you. Yeah, slow. Yeah, go back and forth to you. Yep. My God, y'all look at my baby.
Hey, look at me.
Okay, babe.
Look at me.
She done learn, honey.
A little something. Okay, so what should I expect when I bite into what type of texture should I expect when I bite into this? Because you know I don't like certain textures.
I really don't know how
To explain it,
to explain it.
it's I don't know.
Do you like it?
It's kind of tender. Like it's not tough.
Right.
I was expecting tough. It's all right.
So you like it?
It's all right.
Y'all heard it.
It's all right.
She said it's all right, and she picky. You want to try muscle?
Nah, you got it, bro.
I
don't know. I think I need a little bit more salt in my.
Well, they got the salt right there.
Okay, y'all. I put a little more salt and lemon juice in mine's. Cause I like salty stuff. Like when I'm eating stuff, like I like salty stuff.
Y'all. So we gotta tell y'all about.
Oh.
We've been doing this. We on day 7. No, 8. What day we on?
7?
I think it's either 7 or 8. We've been doing the no meat challenge, and we've been doing real good. We haven't had no meat in 8 days. This is the first meat that.
Yeah, I don't know if y'all count this as meat. We don't. I don't see seafood as a meat. But yeah, so
we had to do this video for y'all.
Make it have me salt.
We had to do this video for y'all because we owe y'all this.
Yeah, we do.
I'm peeling my food. This food good.
Yeah. Okay, is there anything I need to get out of here?
Yeah, there's meat right there.
Why do it feel thick?
Just bite it.
Bite this?
There's meat right there.
Show me.
You got it out right here.
Alright, I'll get it next time. Oh.
You almost had.
Okay, now how I get this out of here? Oh. Y'all, I honestly was expecting the struggle. Ow! See?
Oh yeah, they'll bite you now and then.
I don't want to get bit by no dead food. Y'all, how do y'all eat this when y'all hungry?
Look at that.
I'm struggling over here. Okay, let's see. What's some more salt?
You like it better? I need some sizzle.
The salt is enhancing the flavor, but I don't know what I'm looking for.
Babe, it's just butter.
Yeah. I think I'm looking for something else out of taste wise. Like I'm looking for something sweet and tangy, maybe.
We got something
Put some salt on.
coming for y'all next video too.
Yeah.
I think y'all gonna like the next. So drinking my milk and peach tea.
I don't mind seafood, but I don't think it's something I would eat on the regular.
She a picky eater, y'all.
Like I'll keep trying different stuff, but like the next video, I'm gonna have to try something else. I'm willing to try that, but I kind of want it.
I thought you was about to tell them.
No, I kind of want it a different way than she gonna cook it. But that's something we'll have to talk about off camera. Eggs ain't never been my thing. Good Lord.
That y'all like nothing. Hey, the car is busting.
I'm sorry.
You alright?
This is the best tea ever. It's good. Okay, y'all.
That corn.
Ate everything.
Honey, I love me some corn. Me and corn go together. Corn is my bae.
Well, who am I?
My wife.
Period.
Don't blame Mr. Charlie.
Mr. Charlie is just a man. And he...
Try the shrimp, baby.
Nah.
Please.
Nah. I hate the texture of shrimp.
Y'all, I'm getting full. I ain't gonna lie. This is, honestly, this a quick, simple meal.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
You don't think so? She ain't even do nothing. I mean, it ain't quick, but it's not hard.
No. When I came around the corner, Keandra was tasting water. I was like, what's you tasting water for? It's water in the refrigerator.
And you gotta taste that water, make sure that flavor in them. Crack you another, yeah.
I gotta share something in here. It's a little something in there, baby.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know what that is.
Hey, y'all.
I'm not eating it.
Yeah. Babe, meat is in there.
I don't care. I'm going for this part. I don't know what this is.
Well, you ain't gotta tear it out.
Let me see.
Ooh.
Oh, it almost came out. The hole too small.
That's why you'll never crack that joint right there.
I had it top.
I am. Oh. Okay.
Okay, go.
Y'all, she cracked better than me.
It's all in the wrist. It's all in the wrist.
I don't know, honey. I'm full.
You're full. It's above you now.
Y'all, it good though.
Ain't gonna stop eating.
Y'all, so my wife got on the plane for the first time. She'll pop some pictures in them.
Yep.
So y'all can see.
It's a whole different world above the clouds. Like a whole different world.
I still ain't never been on no plane. The corn make you hurt somebody.
Yeah, that corn danger. Y'all done did good. That's my little trash pile right here.
Yeah, she got 8 minutes out this stuff. Try the muscle.
Oh, I got enough of them.
You got no muscle.
Yep.
And look at my pile over here. I'm trying to eat so many crab legs because she don't eat the rest of the stuff.
Oh, you good, baby. Either way. I don't know.
Why is she putting out it?
I'm gonna try it separate with everything else and see what taste I'm looking for. Cause I might could put it together. Cause like I'm looking for something different.
But so that's what you want, Lima?
That's what I'm looking for.
That's what you look for.
Oh. Let me give it a different taste. That's what I'm looking for, though. That's what I'm looking for. Oh, that don't look right.
I can do without the lemon. Yeah, I don't like the lemon.
Yeah, I'm getting full, honestly.
Me too.
I think after this one and some
You
corn.
have to do long, babe.
After this one and some corn, I'm done. But yeah, this is not something that I would eat on a regular at all.
But of course we'll do other mukbangs
Oh yeah.
that don't
definitely.
include meat.
Well, not for the next 30 days anyway.
Yeah.
I'm kind of scared that, but once I start, like, well, once I continue to not eat meat, I'm not going to miss it. And I'll never eat meat again. But I wanted some rib from TGI the other day, though.
She did.
I wanted them.
She didn't even give them that. Okay. I'm done.
Yeah.
I'm full of the rattlesnake. I did pretty
A
good.
rattlesnake?
Yeah. I don't know. I just came up with it.
I see.
If y'all enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you're new here, please subscribe. Please, please, please subscribe. You got anything to say?
I'm just appalled. Yeah.
So y'all stay tuned for the next video. We love y'all.
We appreciate y'all. Bye. And we will see you in the next one.
Bye!
Shit, I'm finna finish the call.
You stupid. I ain't gonna let you lie. Yeah. Like that.
Ooh, da-da-doo, doo-doo. Ooh, da-da-doo, doo-doo. Ooh, da-da-doo, doo-doo. Ooh, da-da-doo.
The very first time that I saw your brown eye.
Your lips said hello, and I said hi.
Bow.
I knew right then
You were the one.
one.
And if I ever fall in love, I will be sure that the lady is afraid.
Give me the mic. Give me the mic.